sitting in simple cross-leg position called sukhasana. To understand the foundation of sukhasana, you need to keep your sit bones firmly grounded. For that, remove the flesh out from the sit bones. Feel your both sit bones onto the floor. Your knees are relaxed, moving to the floor. Back of the palms onto the knees. Any mudra, chin, gyan, shunya, bhairav, whatever you prefer for yourself. Spine straight, shoulders are down, chest is lifted, neck relaxed on top. Sukhasana. We are starting joint movement with the legs. For that, first extend your legs forward. Keep your feet together with keeping your leg muscles active. First, we are going to move our toes. For that, take a deep breath in. With that, spread your toes. With exhale, bend your toes without any extra movement in your leg, only toes. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. This time with exhale, send your toes forward with bending your ankles. Maximum movement on your ankles, not in your knees. Inhale up, exhale down, 2, inhale up, exhale down, 3, inhale up, exhale down, 4. From here, big circle through your toes, ankle rotation, 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Move with the breath. 0 movement on your knees, just move your ankles. 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. After 3, switch the side. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. One more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Hold here. Next joint, we have our knees. First, we are going to start with your right knee. For that, bend your right leg at the knee. Knee pointed toward the ceiling. Left leg firmly grounded. Hold your right back of the thigh. Keep your right thigh onto the chest with keeping your back straight. With inhale, raise your right leg up in the air. Exhale, bend down. Inhale up, exhale down. For demonstration, we are doing just 3 times. Inhale up. You can repeat these practices 4 to 5 times. Exhale down. From here, make a big 0 through your leg. Maximum movement coming from your knee. 1. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3. From here, switch the side. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3. From here, place your right foot on top of your left thigh. Right palm grabbing your right knee. Be aware about your left leg firmly grounded, back straight. Take a deep breath in. With exhale, bring your knee close to the chest. Inhale, press your knee to the floor. Exhale, bring the knee close to the chest. Inhale, exhale. From here, hug your leg in your arms, or you can hold with support of your ankle and your knee. You can go according to your flexibility. So from here, you have to move right to left, left to right. Maximum movement coming from the hip joint. You can repeat this movement 15 to 20 times. After completing 15 to 20 times, hold your right big toe in your right arm. Left palm, left side of the waist. Extend your right leg forward. With keeping your both legs active, keep pushing your right leg further from your right hip joint. Try to keep your both shoulders in one line, chest lifted. Take a deep breath in and then exhale slowly. Place your right leg back to the floor. Shake your legs, move your legs, relax them. Again, active your leg muscles with keeping your both feet together. Bend your left leg at the knee, left knee pointed toward the ceiling. Hold your left back of the thigh. Try to keep your left thigh onto the chest with keeping your back straight. Right leg firmly grounded this time. With the inhale, raise your left leg up. Go as high as possible without hunching your back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. From here, make a big zero through your leg. Janu Chakrasana. 2. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3. From here, switch the side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Maximum movement coming from your knee. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3. From here, place your left foot on top of your right thigh. You are grabbing your left knee with support of your left palm. First, take a deep breath in. With exhale, bring your knee close to the chest. Inhale, press your knee back to the floor. Exhale, bring the knee close to the chest. Inhale down and exhale. You can repeat these practices 5 to 10 counts. With your practice, hold your left leg in your arms. Always go with your flexibility. You can hold, you can grab as demonstrator demonstrating here. Move right to left, left to right. You can move 15 to 20 counts. After completing 15 to 20 counts, you can grab your left big toe in your left arm with extending your left leg forward, right palm resting on your right side of the waist. Again, try to push your left leg further from your left hip joint. Try to keep your both shoulders in one line, chest lifted. One more deep breath in and then exhale. Slowly place your left foot back to the floor. Shake your legs, move your legs, relax yourself. Always remember to relax yourself in between you're practicing. There is no need to stay in pain and stress. After completing your leg muscles, we are moving to the spine. For that, we are going to sit in simple cross-leg position, sukhasana. First, raise your both arms by the side, parallel to the floor, palms facing toward the floor. Spread your fingers as much as you can. Stretch like two people are pulling you from both sides. With this, try to elongate your spine here. Give a gentle introduction of stretching to the spine. Take a deep breath in and then exhale slowly, arms down. From next inhale, raise your arms over your head. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palms upward and then lengthen your spine. So we need to understand there is no need to retain the breath. You are inhaling, you are lengthening your spine. You are exhaling, you are sending your vertebrae closer to each other. Overall, you are trying to breathe through your spine. Total awareness, total focus, complete focus towards your spine. Perfect. Take a deep breath in. With exhale, slowly, arms down. Very good. Again, raise your arms by the side. Palms facing toward the floor. Place your right palm right side of the floor. Turn your left palm toward the ceiling and then stretch your left arm over your left ear. Lateral bending to the spine. Again, respect your limits. Don't go beyond the limits. Check where you can feel yourself comfortable. Inhale back to the center. Switch the side, this time left palm left side to the floor. Stretch your right arm over your right ear. Feel the stretching on right side of your trunk. Don't hang your neck here. And then inhale, bring yourself back to center. Exhale, arms down. You can repeat this 3 to 5 times in your practice. Next, spine twisting. For that, inhale, raise your arms by the side. With exhale, place your right palm behind of the back onto the floor. Left palm on your right knee. One more inhale, lengthen your spine. And then exhale, slowly. Twist more to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Left palm behind of the back. Onto the floor, right palm on your left knee. Inhale one more time. And then exhale. Twist to the left. Stay here. Keep breathing. Keep twisting with every exhalation. Inhale, bring yourself back to center, arms by the side, and then exhale slowly, arms down. So you can repeat this practice, this twisting 3 to 5 times in your practice. Next, we have our arms here. For that, raise the arms in front at the shoulder level, both arms parallel to the floor, parallel to each other. Keep your shoulders back into the socket. From here, with inhale, spread your fingers as much as you can. With exhale, bend your fingers, make a tight fist. Inhale, open the fist. Exhale, make the tight fist. Inhale, open the fist. Exhale, make a tight fist. Move your wrist, move your fist toward the floor. Wrist rotation 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. As I said, you can repeat this practice 5 to 10 times. Back to your practice. 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise this time. Inhale up, exhale down. We have to understand, we have to go as slow as possible. After this, open the fist. Turn your palms upward. Take a deep breath in and then exhale. Bend your elbows. Place your fingertips onto the shoulders. Perfect. Inhale, extend the elbows. Exhale, bend the elbows, fingertips onto the shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Next, we have our shoulders. For that, bring your elbows closer to each other, touch them in front. With inhale, raise your elbows up, open, and then exhale all the way down. You have to make big zero through your elbows. Inhale up, open, exhale down. 2, very good. You have to breathe through your shoulder joint. Inhale up, exhale down. 3. From here, switch to the side. Inhale, send your elbows by the side, up and down. Very good. 1, inhale up, exhale down. 2, one more time. Inhale up, exhale down. From here, send your elbows by the side. Extend your arms, turn your palms toward the floor. Spread your fingers, stretch your arms. Active arm muscles, active core. Stay here for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly, arms down. You can roll your shoulders, you can relax yourself. If you have pain on your knees, you can extend your legs forward. Shake your legs, move your legs, roll your shoulders. There is no need to stay in pain. We need to give relaxation in between your practicing all the time. We need to understand there is no need to stay in pain, in stress as well. After relaxing yourself, when you find yourself back to normal, find yourself back to simple cross-leg position. Neck and head movement. First, we're gonna close our eyes. With inhale, raise your chin up towards the ceiling. And then exhale, bring your chin onto the sternum. 1. With inhale, all the way up. With exhale, chin to the sternum. 2. With inhale, up. With exhale, all the way down, chin onto the sternum. This time, with inhale, head back to the center. Lateral bend. Right ear over your right shoulder. With exhale, inhale, bring your head back to center. With exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Perfect. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the center. Twist your neck to the right. Chin over your right shoulder. Inhale to the center. With exhale, chin onto the left shoulder. Inhale to the center. Exhale, chin over your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, chin over your left shoulder. Inhale, center. With exhale, drop your chin onto the sternum. Big 0 through the head. We are going to make this 3 times. With inhale, up. Exhale, down. 1. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 2. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3. From here, switch to the side. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 1. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 2. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3. With inhale, bring your head back to the center. With exhale, slowly open the eyes. Feel the relaxation after this head and neck movement. Thanks for watching this video. I just want to repeat one more time. You have to focus on your breath while moving your body. That is a very important part of your practice. Feel free to ask question regarding your practice. You can ask anytime to us. You can drop your questions in our comment box. For further inquiry of our courses, you can visit our official website. Link is given below. Thank you.